Hey everybody, I'm Barry Stokes with Let's Fish TV, here to tell you about a brand new product on the market that I've just discovered and I'm already a huge fan of. Now you've got this beautiful boat, this beautiful Mercury 250 Pro XS outboard engine, and then it gets these hard water calcium deposits on it right at the waterline, or maybe some saltwater deposits. They can be really difficult to get off, especially after you use them several times and those hard water deposits build up on your engine or on your cowling. This product eliminates it fast and easy. I want to show you how well it does. So as you can see, here are all those hard water deposits and maybe even some salty deposits right here. I'm just going to spray this product on, and it cuts all that hard water, all that calcium, all those salt water deposits instantly. It breaks them down, melts them away, and look at the job that it does. Here's what it looks like. It's Mercury All-In-One Spotless Shine. You can find this product at several marine retailers. Get Mercury All-In-One Spotless Shine and be done with those hard water and saltwater deposits forever.